Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Immersion School, Morning Shift. Student, today I am going to take your English literature class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is question answer and M.C.Q. That means multiple choice question from Unit 4. So everybody, I am requesting all of you follow your books and open your book. Let's get started our class. Here are given three questions and here are given three M.C.Q. question for you. You have to solve it. First one is, who is a vet? Number 2, how do the vets help animals? Number 3, are vets afraid of animals? Now come to the first one. Now we will see how to solve it. Who is a vet? Before going to write this question, let's have a look on the main text. Now, who is a vet? We know a vet is a doctor for animals. Now, come to the main story. A vet is a doctor for animals. That means, who is a vet? A vet is a doctor for animals. Who is a vet? A vet is a doctor for animals. At first, you have to write. You have to take subject. A vet here is a subject. Then verb is. You have to write is after is, and now object. A vet is a doctor for animals. We know that the first letter of each sentence will be start with capital letter. So A here is a capital letter. A vet is a doctor for animals. Now number 2 question. How do the vets help animals? Now go to the main story. They help animals to be strong and healthy. That means they here is a pronoun. It is used instead of the vets. So here the vets subject. The vets help sick animals to be strong and healthy. How do the vets help animals? The vets help sick animals to be strong and healthy. Now, are vets afraid of animals? No, we know that vets are not afraid of animals. Vets are not afraid of animals. Are vets afraid of animals? No, vets are not afraid of animals. Now come to the multiple choice question. Number 1, pets are our dash animals. Number 1, here are given 3 options. For you, you have to choose only one. Number 1, animal friends. Number 2, best friend. Number 3, classmates. You know, vets are our animal friends. Correct answer will be animals friends. Number 2, when animals fall sick, we go to a dash. A vet, a farmer, a teacher. We know we go to a vet because a vet is a doctor of animals. Number 3, vets help animals to be dash. We know vets help animals to be big and tall. Number 2, strong and healthy. Number 3, weak and small. Which one will be correct? Number 2, strong and healthy. Now go to the main story. They help animals to be strong and healthy. That means vets help animals to be strong and healthy. Now I am telling these questions once again. Number 1, who is a vet? Answer, a vet is a doctor for animals. Number 2, how do the vets help animals? The vets help sick animals to be strong and healthy. Number 3, are vets afraid of animals? No, we know vets are not afraid of animals. M.C.Q question, that means multiple choice questions. Number 1, pets are our dash animals, friends. Number 2, when animals fall sick, we go to a vet. Number 3, vets help animals to be strong and healthy. Students, hope you have understood our today's topic. Our homework will be question answer and M.C.Q question from Unit 4 and homework number 9. So, you have to do your homework at home and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. That's all for today.